This is a 2014 Outback, and this has the cabin floor guard plus the passenger back protectors. And as you can see, these are absolutely crucial if you're going to have dogs back here a lot. When you put those back seats down, it creates a nice flat spot. Their muddy paws go there instead of on the fabric. This is the 2020 Outback. This is an Onyx edition, and this one came with the floor protector but not the seat back protectors, so I'm going to just show how those are installed real quick here. As a close-up on the previous version, these were held in place by plastic rivets, 2 of them on the smaller side, and that just lays back underneath here, which is loose, and that's how those are held on. These ones are a little bit different. So these have a slightly longer portion to go underneath the cabin guard. Then the back is held on by Velcro, which is kind of handy. So there's no plastic rivets in this version. And then there's also these little tie downs that go over the headrests. So they're just little elastic bands up there for extra protection, which I'm not sure, we'll see how they look once they're installed, but overall the looks match perfectly. I'll give you the product number in the description. And here we go. The alignment might not be perfect the first time doing this one-handed, but here we are, centered over the kiddo seat strap, and then the Velcro's holding it down. So then we'll just take this elastic band, slip that over the headrest, and then this mat, I'm gonna go do the other side, but this mat will then pull over so that there's a nice clean interface here. Same thing on the larger panel, Velcro all around, 2 headrest straps, and then molded fit. Now these are over the headrests. They're a little clunky, especially with this little seatbelt loop here, but it'll do. Now the 2014 does have a small gap between those 2 seats here, as well as some exposed fabric on the edges because that's how it fits into the molding up here. On ours, we have maybe a little bit more of a gap where the original fabric is exposed, so not quite continuous, but it'll be better than nothing. From the cabin, those straps are really not noticeable at all, so no big deal. Yep, looks like this. And here is the part number. These also recline just fine along with the rest of the bench. And there you go. Get these if you have dogs. Thanks for watching.